Thibaut, my hairdryer is broken again. It's the third time this week. It's annoying!
Well, I can fix it.
I don't want to fix it. I want to buy a new one.
Hairdryer. Oh, Dyson. Oh, Dyson is in discount. Perfect. Oh, she must like it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's Dyson!
It is.
Oh my god, I want to try it so much!
Hey, go for it. Go. Yes.
Oh!
We have all the time.
Look what you did to my hair!
Hello, this is Dyson customer service. How can I help you?
Yeah, I bought one of your products and it messed up my girlfriend's hair. Like, what I'm supposed to do?
Okay, can you please provide me your product serial number?
Sure, I can. Yeah. It's B1NCNKHC56218A.
I'm sorry, sir, we cannot find this number in our system.
Oh,
Yes, the serial number is wrong. It is not our product.
it's fake.
Sorry, sir.
Are you sure it's fake? It looks like real and I bought it online.
Yes.
It's fake. Perfect. Thank you.
Got cheated? Report fake product at simplybrand.io.